Hello and namaste. Welcome back to my channel. We are here at Bogar West. This place is at the center of Belgaum city. Belgaum is known for its food culture, and when it comes to charts, the name that comes in your mind is All India Bail House. This is the Bogar West bus stand, and in front of this is All India Bail House. Today we have visited All India Bail House, which serves food with soulful flavors and the taste that you will remember forever. The ambience is simple, clean, and lively, but the atmosphere is filled with the conversation, laughter, and the smell of the masalas. The sound of the clinking of the huge tawa with the metal spoon. Tell me about yourself.
So my name is Sandeep Yadav and I am the third generation who is taking care of this business. And by talking about my profession, I am an IHM graduate. I belong from the industry, hotel industry itself. And now carrying forward the legacy what is being left behind from like it's a
Nice. You're carrying forward your family business.
Yes, that's right.
It's really nice.
Thank you.
This place has earned its reputation through passion, dedication, and the zeal to carry forward the family legacy.
63 years, so it's a generational. So we provide the best charts. So if you all want to have any sort of chart, you all have to definitely come to All India Bhel House. Yeah, you can also try misal, Kolhapuri misal if anyone loves spicy.
This is the pre-preparation done for the making of pav bhaji, misal, and different kinds of chaats. It's 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and Sandeep has started his work with tempering of sprouts for misal pav. All the masalas are kept ready because any time from now the customers will start arriving. Now we are going to see the famous bail preparation of All India Bail House.
So this is tempering of ginger garlic paste and coriander.
For pav bhaji. It's just 2:30, but already the people have started coming to have the delicious pav bhaji from All India Bail House. It's a misal pav is being served.
Misal pav.
As the time was passing, there was a continuous order for bhel puri, misal pav, and pav bhaji. This is the complimentary carrot pickle, which is served along with misal pav. A handful of masalas are sprinkled on this. And to this, now the potato is being added.
Mashed potatoes.
The smashed potatoes, yeah. At what time you all start the work?
We start by 2 p.m. So we start the preparation by 2:30 is ready. And we close on by 9:15. Wednesdays we are closed.
It looks yummy, spicy, jhanjanit, chatpata,
Mixture of everything.
mixture of everything. and this is the pav bhaji masala. When did you start this eatery?
As I don't have the rightful answer for it, we have a captured photo which someone has given us. It was captured in 1962, wherein my grandfather used to carry a tea with the snacks, and that is where it has been clicked and started. And later on, he went to explore things, and he has brought down this charge to Belgaum. So we were one to get the pav bhaji, then bhel puri, misal pav over here, introduced it in our own manner, and we have our own things going on till now. Basically, we are from Belgaum itself, like brown border over here. If you speak about our like ancestor, we belong to native place from Nipani, which is Apachevari, Kuru.
In a day, how many plates do you all serve?
I actually can't give you the exact figure, but we do well. We serve well pav bhajis into town. Like it's totally depend upon the crowd, like how it comes. We keep on preparing by batch by batch.
Yeah, some days more, sometimes more, sometimes.
So days it's fixed, like it's never fixed, right? Some days are there where we make more pav bhaji than we expect,
Okay.
and some days are low.
Which of your item is more in demand? Like people come back for it again and again.
Again and again, it's like if you speak about our thing, pav bhaji is a USP, and then it goes later on to the bhel puri and misal.
The first batch of pav bhaji is ready by 2:30 p.m. There are some orders for pav bhaji and it's being served. The pav is dipped in the gravy.
Hey, go on. Yes.
This is the spicy aromatic gravy of misal. I remember few years back, many years back, not few years, many years back, no, we used to have pav bhaji in Kelkar Bagh in a small cart. Is it the same cart which used to operate in Kelkar Bagh?
Yes, we are the same ones who used to operate on the cart. Now it's been shifted as the corporation has not allowed us to go there. So we have the outlet over here now.
Their workforce include 80% of women. Now I have an order. I'll be taking one misal and one pav bhaji.
You did hotel management
Yeah.
I'm my hotel management from
there
Kerala.
in Belgaum only?
No, from Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah, it's a government facilitated project.
Okay, okay.
So I've been there. This is misal pav.
So this is the misal pav.
So daily you are coming only?
Like we be on shifts. So in the morning I be by 4 o'clock, and then later on it has been carried by until. And don't forget. Don't forget to try this.
Yeah. This is the pickle which he mentioned about. It is the
Seasonal one.
seasonal one. Now, right now, it is a carrot pickle, which they serve on every misal plate, and also on this.
It's on everything. People like casually also they come, they eat and they go for it.
So I'll eat this and tell you how it is.
taste.
It's nice. It's yummy. And along with that, they have insisted us to try this pickle. Nice. Now let me try this pav bhaji. Pav bhaji is very nice. This is the one I like, the most. It's very nice. Yummy, it is very nice. Especially the pav bhaji is very nice. Do visit All India Bale House and enjoy the delicious pav bhaji, misal pav, and other chaats. Okay, thanks for allowing us to record your process of making pav bhaji.
You're always welcome.
It was nice. The taste is nice. Especially the pav bhaji is very nice. This is all in this video. If you all like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Until then, goodbye.